This Queen Naomi waka, wey Queen Naomi waka comot for palace, really pain Ooni of Ife, my people. If you see wetin Ooni of Ife talk for this im birthday, wey e go know say the waka wey Queen Naomi waka comot for palace, say im still dey touch am. My correct people, how una dey, wetin dey happen? I don bring another gist come for una domot. Abeg, before we start this video, if you never subscribe to my channel, abeg make you click that button now, make you subscribe so that anytime wey we post video, e go be the first. My correct people, una know say e never tey wey Ooni of Ife celebrate im 50th birthday. As im do that birthday finish, you know how person dey do birthday, dey do party, people chop, everybody dance, everything don dey end, people don dey go small or people already don wan dey go. They can't say, hey, na time wey Ooni of Ife go give vote of thanks, may im tag people wey come in birthday, appreciate them. Say plenty people come from far, some no even dey for Ife. They come from Lagos, UK, Canada, different places where they carry come celebrate Ooni. Na im Ooni wan thank them. But e get something wey Ooni talk, wey be say, wey remind people about Queen Naomi. The thing wey Ooni talk, e really show say Ooni of Ife never get rid of Queen Naomi. Im still dey pain am, im still dey miss Ooni, im still dey miss Queen Naomi, say im waka comot. E go know say im really love Queen Naomi, and that waka wey Queen Naomi waka comot, e really hurt am. So wetin im talk be say, as im dey thank people, na im talk na thank them, say make una thank you, say una come celebrate with am o, say im appreciate am o, say im no take am for granted o. Na im come talk say im remember when im celebrate im 48th birthday, say im queen no dey to celebrate with am. Chai, the thing really make some people comot hanky from their pocket. As im talk am, say im celebrate im 48th birthday without a queen. Say that time wey im celebrate am, Queen Naomi, na that time wey the marriage don scatter. Na that time wey elders still dey beg Queen Naomi whether she go come back. Ooni celebrate im birthday, Queen Naomi no dey, no queen dey, nobody. Nobody dey to dey sit beside am as Queen of Ife that time. The thing really pain Ooni of Ife. Say the thing pain am, say im cry, say the thing really never hurt am like that. Una know say Ooni of Ife really love Queen Naomi. Una know how they know say person love person. Una know say when Queen Naomi left, na so they come talk for social media at that time, say say she no left o, say she and Ooni of Ife sleep for one bed that day o, say blah. Meanwhile, Ooni of Ife been there for Lagos o, in travel before Queen Naomi left. Na im dey come, that Moses wey be in social media, they say come dey talk, say Ooni and Queen Naomi sleep for one bed, say in account, say na person hack Queen Naomi account, write those things. People no still believe am. That time they try to cover up. Say they believe say if they go back Queen Naomi, say im go waka come back for palace. But Queen Naomi already made up her mind before she waka comot, and she no come back. She no even turn back reach now wey me and you dey talk. So that thing really pain Ooni of Ife. He never imagine am. And among all the wives wey Ooni of Ife don marry, both the one wey don go and the one wey stay, they say na Queen Naomi wey im really love. They say people no go understand wetin Queen Naomi do for Ooni of Ife life. Say since wey Ooni dey do friendship, dey born pikin, say na girl wey im dey born. They say as Queen Naomi enter, na Queen Naomi come born boy for am, come break that chain. Say im no go. Say e get somebody wey go give you one gift, e get something wey person go do. And they say Queen Naomi dey very calm, humble, say she no dey talk too much, she no dey look for trouble. That kind wife wey be say no dey give you problem. Na so Queen Naomi dey. And na that reason why Queen Naomi waka comot for palace, because e get plenty things wey dem talk say wey dey happen, wey make am she no fit endure am again. Now she run comot. Say e get some people wey be say they strong well, even if they like break bottle, they no go run. They go say I go stay for my husband house. But Queen Naomi no be person like that. Plenty things happen, na im make am take risk. Ooni of Ife never imagine am for im life say Queen Naomi go leave am. As im waka go Lagos, im no go He no even take and say the wife wey live for house go come rise for social media say no dey marry again. The thing really hook am, the thing. But they say Queen Naomi don already tell am. But you know that kind thing, you go tell person something, go like wife now go come and tell husband say I no dey marry again. Husband no go believe you, go think say na joke wey dey joke. Na wetin happen for Queen Naomi and Ooni of Ife palace matter. So the thing be say Ooni still love Queen Naomi, and na him make him go marry plenty wife, so that even if he no fit forget about Queen Naomi, by the time him go talk with one wife, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, he no go get time to think about Queen Naomi. And they also say the reason why him marry 7 wife be say as Queen Naomi waka go, the thing really pain am. They say the kind pain wey pain Ooni never feel that kind pain before. Even say no be the first wife or second wife wey dey live, but the way he take love Queen Naomi and anything wey concern Queen Naomi, say as Queen Naomi waka go, the thing really shock am. So him come use verse marry 7 wives, say before all of them go pack go one by one, at least some go still remain. If one waka comot, say him go marry one add. If another one waka comot, na so him go do am. Say that thing wey happen to am for him 48th birthday, say e no go ever happen to am again. Say how king go dey, king no go get queen. Say that one pain am because say na him birthday time. My people, una know say this thing wey dey call love, e get person wey be say e go love no matter what. Even if say e get plenty concubine, plenty women outside, you see that one wey e love, e no go like lose am. But una know say king na king no go fit live with one woman. And Queen Naomi know am. No be even about women wey make am waka comot, na about plenty. No, women fit follow for one of the reason, but e get plenty strong issues wey make Queen Naomi waka comot for palace. We know say since people just dey drag the matter, but the koko as Ooni of Ife talk this thing for him 50th birthday, the thing really show say this man wey be Ooni of Ife, this king of Ife, say him really dey miss Queen Naomi. Yes, una dey hear am. Ooni of Ife still dey miss Queen Naomi, even though him don get 7 wives, but him still dey miss this him wife wey be Queen Naomi. Una know say Queen Naomi na blessed child wey she be, na strong woman, and na person wey be say e no dey find trouble. Person wife wey you go marry wey no go dey bring problem for you, e no go dey go outside dey talk anyhow, e no too dey talk. So that kind person, people dey cherish them well. Na the kind person wey Queen Naomi be, and na him make Ooni of Ife no go fit forget her. Even if he marry 100 wives, apart from say they have a child together, even at that, Ooni no go fit forget Queen Naomi for life. Queen Naomi, e get something wey mark for Ooni body wey be say nobody, even if na 100 women, no go fit erase that thing wey mark. You know say e get some things wey person go dey talk, una no go dey understand, but person wey dey smart go understand wetin I dey talk. This king wey be Ooni of Ife still dey crush for Queen Naomi, still love her. And I know say wherever Queen Naomi dey, him still love Ooni of Ife. But due to circumstances wey dey beyond their control, that marriage no go fit work unless plenty things comot. And those plenty things wey suppose comot before that marriage go work, they no go fit comot again. So the best thing na for them to dey separate, dey nurture the love wey dem get for each other. My correct people, na wetin I say make I come tell una. Abeg, if you watch reach here, you never comment, you never drop your comment, this is the time for you to kukuma drop your comment. And if you watch reach here, you never subscribe to our channel, my correct people, wetin dey wait for? Abeg, make you subscribe to our channel, so that anytime we be say I post videos like this one, now why I post now, pium, e go be among the first people wey go see the video. My correct people, na so e dey o. Abeg, before I go, I wan tell una something. Una know say December don dey reach. If you dey waka, make you dey careful. Anywhere wey you dey go, make you dey tell your family member, make you dey tell your mama, your papa, your sister, your husband, your wife, your children where you dey go, because tomorrow dey pregnant, you no know wetin you dey born. And also things don change, plenty bad things dey happen, even though good things still dey happen. But make everybody dey careful. December don dey reach. Abeg.